Happy Father's Day, everybody. We're so excited to do our first Father's Day giveaway. We're giving away an awesome Blackstone grill because, well, I bought one a few months ago and absolutely love it, and you are gonna love it too. I wanna thank everybody who entered into this. This is the first of probably many cool giveaways that we're primarily gonna be marketing through emails, so make sure you're receiving our emails and they're not going to your spam. But I wanna take a moment to also thank those that got extra entries by following our social medias, YouTube videos, and commenting on things. That was really neat to see you show up and support our business that way. Let's jump right in and find out who is our winner of this contest. We've got everybody up here. If you say names 2 times, those are the people that earned extra entry by doing those extracurriculars that I mentioned a moment ago. So let's spin the wheel and see who this year's winner is. Okay, we've got it all shuffled up. Here, let's go. Winner is Kayla Bebeck. Congratulations, Kayla. Thank you again for entering our contest. I hope you and your family get some great barbecue off this thing and really enjoy your Blackstone grill. Okay, Kayla, we're gonna give you a phone call right now and congratulate you on this Blackstone grill. Good morning, Kayla. It's Simon Guy.
Hi.
I wanted to call and congratulate you. You won our Blackstone grill.
What?
Yep. I just did a spin of the wheel and it landed on your name. So thank you for entering the contest.
That seems pretty random.
It is.
That's amazing.
Totally.
We will be happy recipients.
Awesome. Well, I will drop.
Calling me to tell me my dog was loose again.
Right? Nope. It's not the case today. Today's a good news call. So I will.
I'm so excited.
Yep. It's in my office right now, but I will bring this thing to you guys this afternoon.
Okay. We're heading to watch the soccer game right now, but we'll be back in a bit.
Awesome. I'll see you then.
Okay.
Alrighty. Bye.
Bye.
So that's it. Keep an eye again out for the emails. We're going to be doing another contest very soon. We're not going to wait for Father's Day next year. In the next month or two, we'll release the next contest. But again, keep an eye out. It's going to be something pretty cool.